Hello students, myself Nitin Patel, your history teacher. Today we are going to start our next topic of the event of Christianity. In this topic, first we will understand about the crucifixion. Crucifixions mean and when it was happened. First we have to understand the meaning of crucifixion. Then in easy word we can understand crucifixion is a method of punishment or capital punishment in which the victim is tied or nailed to the large wooden beam and long to hang, perhaps for several days, until a natural death from execution of offense. It has been used as a punishment in a part of the world as recently was as the 20th century. Now we are going to start our next topic, crucifixion. Jesus' popularity among the common people alarmed the upper classes and some of the Jews who want to saw him a dangerous rebel. He complained to Pontius Pilate, the Roman governor of Judea, that that Jews had defined the Roman Empire by claiming to be a king of the Jews. According to the Roman law, this was a crime deserving punishment by death. Jesus was arrested. He was sentenced to death by crucifixion. That is why being being nailed to the cross by the wrist and ankle, Jesus was made to wear a crown of thorns and carry the heavy cross to Mount Calvary or Golgotha. He was to nailed to the cross at the top of cross. His crime of claiming to be the king of the Jews was inscribed in the local language so that everybody could read. After 3 hours, the intense agony, Jews died. In keeping with the Jewish tradition, his body was brought down before sunset and later buried. Jesus was crucified on Friday. This event is remembered as Good Friday. According to Christian tradition, Jesus rose from the death on the third day after his death. His resurrection or becoming back to life is celebrated as Easter every year. In our school, we are getting holidays of Easter and Good Friday only because due to this lockdown, we are not aware for these leaves. But last year we got. Jesus is said to have ascended to heaven after this. This cross become a holy sign of Christianity. Now we will discuss about the Roman Empire. Christianity in the Roman Empire. After the death of Jesus, his teaching was spread by his followers. These four followers were there, in which one was Paul's. Jesus' teaching became the basis of the new religion. Paul's polarized the idea of the Jesus as Christ who had become sorry who had been especially sent to by God to atone for the sin of humanity. This gave the new religion its name Christianity. It applied to the people, escapely the poor and the downtrodden in the Roman society, because it involved the worship of only one God and promised salvation to all. In due course, the Christmas church developed by and instruction. It functioned through places of worship for Christians called church. In our school also one church is there. It understands services like healthcare, burials, and distribution of alms to the weak and the poor people. This was unlike by the other religion institution of those times. In next video, we will discuss about another topic, and in depth we will understand the Christianity. Thank you.